How Power BI certification adds value to your resume and career. One way to stand out in the job market and boost your career prospects is by obtaining a Power BI certification. Enhancing your skills and professional development. Obtaining a Power BI certification is not just about adding another line to your resume. It is about gaining valuable skills that are highly sought after in the job market. This will not only make you more efficient in your current role but also open up new career opportunities in industries that rely heavily on data and analytics. Boosting your job prospects. In today's competitive job market, employers are looking for candidates who have demonstrated expertise in using data visualization tools like Power BI. Accelerating your career advancement. Whether you are just starting out in your career or looking to advance to a more senior position, a Power BI certification can help you reach your career goals faster. As the demand for professionals with advanced analytics skills continues to grow, having a Power BI certification will give you a competitive edge in the job market. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a Power BI certification is a valuable investment in your career. With the increasing demand for professionals with advanced analytics skills, having a Power BI certification on your resume can set you apart from the competition and open up new opportunities for growth and success.